Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today, I'm going to be introducing to you the Cosori Air Fryer. What I like about the Cosori is this has a lot of space. And I like also that it is in matte finish, so you will not see a lot of smudges here. Although the screen here where you will display, let me just turn this on. Of course, it's where you touch. You can get some prints, but it's easy to remove. And I will actually stop talking here. I will let them give you the intro on this product, and then afterwards I'm gonna give this a try. My husband and I will be cooking, and there'll be probably 3 or 4 items that we're gonna be cooking, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna test it out. So we'll be back in about 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and an indisputable part of many diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut-off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori Air Fryer, available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, so you can start adding fuel to the fryer. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
Okay, that clip from Cosori actually is pretty convincing, and to be honest, even before I got that video clip, I've tried this already and I'm actually sold. My husband really loves this. He enjoys cooking, and all the more he enjoys cooking now because of this Cosori air fryer. And we love to fry, but what we don't like is the oil. We're avoiding oily foods these days, so that's why I was trying to explore air fryers, and very timely that Cosori company contacted me to try out their air fryer, and this is the first time that they're introducing it also in the market. I like also, it comes with its own recipe book and you can test them out. What I tried to do, it didn't auto off because I was just trying to show you the LED displays, and it turned off on its own because I wasn't really using it. So that's good. That's an energy saving feature, and it's less time consuming to use the air fryer and not a whole lot of mess. So let me just show you also this. It's easy to clean up, it doesn't stick. My husband often does the dishes as well, and he really likes this because it's non-stick. So we've already tested this out, and I'm going to be showing you 4 items that we have cooked. So we fried side pork, sweet potatoes, beef, and catfish. For 5 minutes, so it is pressed preheat and then the on. Power on, preheat, and then that. So once it's ready, it just stops and beeps 3 times. That means it's been preheated. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out. So here, little bit of a because I'm gonna put this. We're gonna fry this. So there's my meat. Gonna press it here again. Okay, and then power it on. And then I'm gonna fry it in. I'm gonna look for the icon where it says meat. So there's it. And then it says here 6 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. See that there is a minus and pluses here. So since this is the first time, I'm just gonna go for the actual 6 minutes default that they have put in here, and then I'm gonna be checking later. And I'm gonna flip it over anyway. After 6 minutes, this is how it looks like. That's quick. Now we're gonna flip it over.
Oh man, the thing is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Be careful. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I put it back.
Put it back in. Go ahead. There you go. And press it on again. And then this is the meat. Press play. Okay. So here it is. I think this is going to be good now. I could smell it, hon. I could smell that it's toasty.
Oh.
So we did a 6 minute on each side. And as you could see, when my husband sliced the meat, it's still pink. And this is pork. So you cannot really eat pork when it's still pinkish. So we're putting it back, but before we put it back in the fryer, we're gonna slice it thinly, and then we're gonna put it back in. So total cooking time for this is 6 minutes on each side, and then we popped it in again for another 6 minutes, so a total of 18 minutes. I'd like to mention also that we only put a little bit of pepper in this. We didn't really put additional seasoning, and it really tastes good. We didn't put salt because we're also cutting down on our salt. We didn't even put oil as well because it already has its own fat, and as you can see, it's juicy. This is how it looks like after. And now here are the beef as well. The beef are thinly sliced, unlike the pork. The pork was about 2 inches thick, and the beef is like half an inch thick. And it took us only a total of, I believe, 18 minutes as well to cook. Now for the sweet potato fries, I cooked it and did the settings as for the fries, but those are for the regular fries. So I kind of did a little bit of adjustment for sweet potatoes, and it really tastes crunchy and really, really good. And I'm loving that the potatoes are not soggy and not sticking at the bottom of the pan. Now the next day, this is my husband's cam, and he was cooking the catfish because, you know, we all love catfish. So he purchased this from the Asian market, had them slice it to the size that we like, and then he used the Cosori and then filmed it himself. And he was setting it for, I believe, for 15 minutes at first at 350 degrees. And what he did is he increased the temperature to 390 and then lessened the time to 5 minutes for the second time that he is cooking it so that it doesn't get burned. And yeah, so afterwards we enjoyed it. So I just put a little bit of pepper and some garlic powder, and voila, that's our catfish. So overall, with all this cooking, we've already used this up a lot, to be honest. You know, I cannot film everything, and I cannot film the duration of the cooking because this video will be so long. So my overall verdict, not only mine, but my husband who loves to cook, we give it 2 thumbs up each, and we're really liking this product so far. We've had this for, I believe we already had this for 3 weeks, and we're really enjoying it. And we like that also it's ready for the holidays, where we're going to have some potlucks, and we're going to bring in some crispy side porks, the first one that I cooked, so that the family can enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you are interested in the Cosori Premium Air Fryer, go to the description box below and click on the link to the product. Go ahead and check it out. And if you're in the market for an air fryer, you might as well check this out too. So I want to thank Cosori again for this product. And then on my next videos, whenever I have an opportunity to share with you a recipe, because sometimes I share with you recipes here, I will be showing you how I use this product, and I'll also let you know over time how it holds up. So I hope you all are having a great day. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And leave me some comments down below, and take care everyone. Bye bye.